Good morning, student. I am Vasanti Kulkarni, your science teacher. First, I want to welcome you all in 5th standard. Hope you all are fine and healthy at home and taking care of yourself. Because of this current situation, we have started online teaching. This is our first session of science and we are going to start our first lesson, human skeletal and muscular system. In this chapter, you will learn about skeletal system, then parts of skeletal system, function of skeletal system, types of joints, muscular system, different types of muscles and functions of muscular system. So, before starting this chapter, we are going to do one activity. Here, see, I am having some blocks. This is one block. I am using this block. This is one single block. Yes, by using this block, I am making one wall. Yes, and by arranging these small blocks one above the another, I have built this wall. Now I have built here same walls by using these blocks. Are you able to see this? This is one wall, second wall, this one, third and this fourth. I am using this wall. This is a single block. Using this block or arranging these blocks, I have made this wall and I am joining these different walls. Yes, and making this shape. I am building this shape by using the blocks. So you know that this is the smallest unit of this block. This is the smallest unit. Then by arranging these blocks, we have made this wall, and by joining these different walls, we have made one structure. So to build that structure, we have taken one single block, then we have arranged them another, we have made this wall and we have joined this wall and made this shape. Like this way, our body is also made up of a small unit, and that is a cell. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of our life. These cells come together. You will learn now the levels of body organization. Yes, these cells, see, you can connect these structures. Single block means like a cell. So, it performs a specific function. This single block, we have used this block, we have grouped these blocks and made this wall. Like this way, group of cells form tissue. So, cell is there, then group of cells form tissue. This tissue perform some function. Then we have taken these tissues and made one single structure. This structure resembles the organ in our body. Yes, this single block like a unit, the wall like a tissue, and these blocks like a organ. And there are many blocks, there are many tissues we have used and made a organ. Tissues together make organ. Are you getting or not? The cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. Then group of cells make tissue. Different tissues together make an organ. And different organs make organ system. This organ system performs a particular or specific function. For example, cell, any cell in our body, Then these cells group together and form tissue. These tissues come together and form an organ. These organs, many organs are there. For example, you can take lungs is one of the organ, hand one is one of the organ, heart, stomach, all these are the different organ. These organs come together and form an organ system. You can take one example of a digestive system. In that, mouth is there, food pipe is there, stomach is there, small intestine, large intestine and anus. All these are the parts of this digestive system. These are the different organs. Stomach is one of the organ, mouth is an organ, food pipe, all these are the organs, and they come together and form a digestive system, and they are performing a specific function of digestion of food. So in our body there are many systems. For example, there is a skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system, excretory system and reproductive system. All these different systems makes our body work properly, or this system helps in proper functioning of our body. Now you understood the levels of organization of our body. See, here is one chart. Yes, these are the levels of organization. First is a cell. Then these cells come together and form tissue. These tissues together form an organ. These different organs form an organ system, and this organ system form an organism. So here you will come to know the cell is the smallest unit and organism is the largest one. Yes, all this system and these organ system make our body work properly. In this session you have learned these levels of organization. Now you have to check whether you are understood or not. For this you have to keep in mind this flow chart of levels of organization. Then you have to keep in mind the definitions of cells. This is the smallest structural and functional unit. Then tissues, the group of cells is called tissues. Then group of tissues is called organ. Then group of organs which is performing a specific function is called organ system, and these many organ system come together and makes the proper functioning of organism. In next session we will see start the skeletal system and structure of bone. Thank you. Have a nice day.